This is gonna blow your mind. The secret to a healthier, happier you might be as simple as skipping breakfast. Intermittent fasting is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Imagine losing weight, gaining energy, and feeling amazing without counting calories or cutting out your favorite foods. Here's the deal. Intermittent fasting is all about when you eat, not what you eat. It can be as simple as eating during an 8-hour window and fasting for the other 16. Sound crazy? It's easier than you think. During the fasting period, your body dips into its fat reserves for energy. This means burning fat while you're just going about your day. But wait, it gets better. Intermittent fasting can improve your mental clarity, boost your metabolism, and reduce inflammation. Plus, it's flexible. You can adjust it to fit your schedule. Start slow, try a 12-hour fast first. Gradually increase to 14, then 16 hours. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Ready for the next step? Download our free diet and weight loss ebook now. Check the link in our profile. Start your journey today and unlock the power of intermittent fasting. Remember, the only thing standing between you and a healthier you is that first step. Let's take it together. Link in profile.